Good morning, my dear students. Today we'll discuss third class science, chapter number 2, animals and plants. In our last class, completed first lesson, things around us. Now, come to the point, chapter number 2, animals and plants. You have already read about how living things and non-living things difference. That is how living things are different from non-living things. You know, all living things shows plants, animals and human beings. All features are same. So that is called living things. But some similarities that between plants and animal shows. Today we will discuss them. If you observe one animal and one plant, some differences we can find out beside appearances. But mostly 5 differences we can find one animal and a plant. That is movement, nutrition, breathing, reproduction and sense organs. First is movement. We all know that animals can move from one place to another place, but plants do not show locomotion. That is, plants cannot move from one place to another place. But in case of animals, there are variety in their movements. For example, some animals walk, glide, swim, fly and run. They move here and there in from search for food, water and shelter. This ability is called locomotions. But plants do not show locomotions because the plants remain fixed to the ground because they do not have to search for food or water. They prepare their own food and absorb water from the soil. Only some parts of plants show movement. This is the difference between plants and animals. In simply say, in case of animal, move one place to another place, but in case of plant, does not move one place to another place. Next one, nutrition. Nutrition. In case of animals, cannot make their own food because they depend directly or indirectly on plants for food. For example, some animals, goats, deer, rabbits, etc., eat plants, and tigers, lions, wolves, etc., eat these animals. That is, example, goats, deer, rabbit, etc. But in case of plants, they have ability to prepare their own food, with help of air, water and sunlight. Also this is called as photosynthesis. Okay students, in our next class we will discuss the difference between animal and plant, some breathing, reproduction and sense organ we will discuss. Okay, thank you students.